I know you don't know what to do on the day of Arafah, and you really want to make the most of that day, but at the same time you feel lost. It feels like no one is clearly telling you what to do. I understand that feeling because I have been there. I also used to hear, "This is the best day of the year, make dua, don't miss it." But no one told me how. So I am here as your sister in deen and dunya. Just relax. This is the only guide you need for the day of Arafah. And one more thing. Go grab a notebook and write this down, because you really don't want to miss any of this. First, understand this. This day starts from the Maghrib of 25th May, and the day of Arafah is on 26th May. This is not a normal day. This is the most powerful day of the entire year. This one day can change your deen and your dunya. If you want the adhkar and du'as PDF that I personally use on this day, you can find it in the description. Step 1. Fasting. Non-negotiable. First thing, you are fasting. No excuses. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Fasting on the day of Arafah removes the sins of the past year and the coming year." Just think about that. As a student, as someone trying to fix your habits, your focus and your life, someone who wants to rewrite their whole life, this is the best opportunity for you, because literally Allah is giving you a clean slate, so do not miss it. Step 2. Keep your tongue alive with dhikr. From the 9th to the 13th of Dhul Hijjah, keep saying the Takbir, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illa Allah. You do not need a special time. Say it while walking, during short breaks between studying, and while doing your daily work. Imagine that you are preparing for your future in dunya, and at the same time, you are building your akhirah. Step 3. Protect your salah like never before. Listen carefully. On normal days, we delay salah. Sometimes we even miss one or two, but not today. Today, you will pray all 5 salah on time, without delay, because salah is fard. Step 4. Give charity, even if it's small. We spend so much on Eid clothes and things we want, but today, give something for the sake of Allah, even a small amount of sadaqah. Because what you give today, Allah can return to you in ways you cannot imagine, in your rizq, in your success, and in your peace. Step 5. Qur'an, smart way. Now you might be thinking, I cannot finish the whole Qur'an in one day, and that is okay. Read smart. You can read Surah Ikhlas, short surahs, or whatever you can with focus, because it is not about finishing, it is about connecting. Step 6. Dua, this is your moment. Now listen, this is the most important part. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The best dua is the dua of the day of Arafah." So today, you ask for everything. Do not limit yourself. Be honest. Be emotional. Be bold with your du'as. If you are a student, say, Ya Allah, I want to become a doctor. Make it easy for me. Give me focus, discipline and success. Open doors for me that no one can close. And listen carefully. How it will happen and when it will happen is not your responsibility. Your job is to ask. Allah is most merciful. He can give you everything. Step 7. Salawat plus tahajjud. Don't miss this. Keep sending salawat again and again throughout the day. And at night, do not skip tahajjud, even if it is just 2 rak'ah. Wake up, talk to Allah, and ask Him sincerely. This is your private moment with Him. Ask for everything you want, and ask for forgiveness for everything you have done, knowingly or unknowingly. Listen, You are not just preparing for one day, you are preparing for your future, in deen and in dunya. This one day can change your direction, so do not waste it. Follow this routine, stay focused, and trust Allah. May Allah accept all your du'as and give you more than what you are asking for. Jazakallahu khairan.